What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by on the channel, Stacy on the Days channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new here, please go ahead, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, put it on all so you won't miss any of my uploads. Yes, guys, so this segment I call it Stacy's Cooking Show. And if you're new here, welcome to Stacy's Cooking Show. My old subscribers would have known by now that I call this segment Stacy's Cooking Show. But as you can see right here, guys, on the stove top right here, I am making a curry pot. I'm making a one pot, guys. It is curry chicken with dumpling, corn, and Irish potato. Not too much food, just corn, Irish potato, and dumpling. And I have some carrot, yeah, in it as well. Yes, guys. So this is a curry one pot, guys. Yes, guys. Take a look in the pot, guys. So it's almost ready. The curry one pot, yeah. I can't wait to see what it's gonna taste like. I was about to cook some curry chicken, the dumpling and the corn and the Irish, and I just go ahead and mix everything together. So yes, guys, so remember to give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and share me out if you can. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please to go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? You won't be disappointed. I do different contents over here, different niches over here, guys, so you won't be disappointed. Subscribe, turn on your bell.